Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming exact panel limits. This prevents damage and wasted effort. Open Device Manager, or HYNFO, locate the panel ID, native resolution, and maximum refresh. Write them down. Next, install the latest GPU driver and download CRU or your GPU vendor's custom resolution tool. Once done, set Windows power to maximum performance and disable display scaling so results aren't altered. Finally, decide whether you'll test on the internal panel or via HDMI/DP. External testing is safer for trial runs. You now build the custom mode. Open CRU and add a detailed resolution. Enter pixel width, height, and the target refresh rate. Select CVT reduced blanking for high bandwidth efficiency or manual timing if you need precision. Save the configuration and immediately run Restart 64. EXE to reload drivers so Windows recognizes the new mode. Once applied, open your GPU control panel to confirm the mode exists. If not, retry with slightly different timings. Make sure to test at a conservative refresh first to avoid. You finish by selecting the new mode in Windows display settings or in the GPU control panel, and then verify. Start by testing at 60 to 80% of the final refresh because that reduces risk. Once stable, ramp up. If the display goes black, immediately wait, then hard reboot into safe mode and remove the custom mode with CRU or roll back the driver. One key troubleshooting tip: if artifacts or instability appear, revert to native timings and confirm you didn't exceed the panel's pixel clock or bandwidth limits.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.